There are two general categories of contact lenses, soft and hard. Hard contacts are made of rigid gas-permeable plastic that ensures stiffness, while soft contacts are most often made of silicone hydrogel. This allows for more flexibility and comfort. Both soft and hard contact lenses will correct your vision if you struggle seeing due to farsightedness or nearsightedness. In this video we will talk about eye lenses that which one is best along with advantages and disadvantages of hard contact lens. So let's start. If you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn the bell notifications on. Which is better, hard lens or soft lens? Hard contacts, or rigid gas-permeable contacts, are not as flexible as soft lenses, but they are more durable. These lenses also let oxygen flow through to your eyes, which helps increase comfort. Unlike soft lenses, hard lenses do not change shape when you put them on. Color contacts with opaque tints come in a wide variety of colors, including hazel, green, blue, violet, amethyst, brown and gray. What types of vision issues can be corrected by contact lenses? Hard contact lenses are used to correct common vision issues known as refractive errors. Refractive errors occur when the shape of your eye prevents incoming light from focusing correctly on the retina. The retina is a layer of light-sensitive tissue in the back of your eye. There are several types of refractive errors that can be corrected by wearing RGP hard contact lenses, including nearsightedness, myopia, farsightedness, hyperopia, astigmatism, presbyopia. Most of these conditions can also be corrected by soft contact lenses. What are the advantages of hard contact lenses? Pros: sharp vision. One of the main differences between hard and soft contact lenses is crispness of vision. RGP hard contact lenses typically provide sharper, clearer vision than soft lenses. Deposit resistance. The tear film in your eyes contains proteins and lipids, which can get deposited onto contact lenses. Because RGP hard lenses aren't made of materials that contain water, like soft contact lenses, these lenses are more resistant to protein and lipid buildup. Durability. If you don't have a vision change and you take good care of your lenses, you may be able to keep one pair of hard contact lenses for 2 to 3 years. Less expensive. Because they last longer than soft lenses, hard contact lenses tend to be less expensive in the long run. Better option for astigmatism. People with astigmatism may benefit from RGP hard lenses called scleral lenses. What are the disadvantages of hard contact lenses? Cons: period of adaptation. Hard contact lenses can take longer to get used to wearing than soft lenses. If you can't tolerate wearing them consistently while you adapt to how they feel, they may not be a good choice for you. Regular use is key for comfort. If you don't wear your hard contact lenses for several days, they may not feel comfortable right away when you put them in again. Your eyes usually need some time to adjust to them again in order for them to feel comfortable. This isn't the case with soft contact lenses. They move more easily. Since hard lenses don't mold to the shape of the eye like soft contact lenses do, they may dislodge and slip off the center of your eye more easily. Need good daily cleaning. Dust and debris can collect underneath hard contact lenses more easily than soft lenses. This can cause discomfort and raise the risk of corneal abrasion. Safety tips: if you want your hard contact lenses to last as long as they should, it's important to take good care of them. Taking care of your lenses will also lower the risk of an eye infection or scratches on your cornea. Daily cleaning. Don't use tap water. Use precautions when swimming or bathing. Replace contact lens case regularly. Avoid saliva. Clean your hands. Don't sleep in your lenses. Summary. Rigid gas-permeable, RGP, lenses are the most common type of hard contact lenses prescribed today. They typically provide sharper, clearer vision than soft contact lenses. They also last longer and are often less expensive in the long run than soft lenses. In addition, certain conditions, including astigmatism, may be corrected more efficiently by hard contact lenses. However, it usually takes longer to adjust to wearing hard contact lenses and they may not be as comfortable as soft lenses. Talk with your eye doctor to find out what type of contact lenses are best suited for you and your vision needs. I hope that you will like this video. Thank you.